Okay, let me see. Continuing from the previous lesson, I will practice drawing a vase by my hand again. Therefore, in this time, next one is we should do drawing join by using join. The all surface should be combined together. Therefore, in upper one, body one, and bottom one, three surfaces should be joined. However, in this case, some mistake error can be occurred. Because the convexity error is occurred in this case, therefore the model should be corrected in case of revolution sketch. In my case, this part should be deleted, I think, because the this should be deleted, I think, and therefore update should be needed. Oh, sketch error. Then again, then therefore the bottom is made two times. This have no bottom. However, in this case, this if this is made bottom, and this bottom can be the superfluous or unnecessary part. Therefore, one bottom should be omitted, and once again I will try to join this part and this part again. First one, this one, okay, delete, cancel, join, not sketch 5. Sketch 5 should be removable. Join, not click it. Join this and this and this should be joined again, and the three part in case of revolution 2, revolution 1, and multi-sections surface can be joined in this case. Therefore, this part, revolution 1, and this part should be joined. Preview, and if you click OK, then everything is completed in this case. Therefore, one join body like this can be achieved in this case. Next one we should make next one maybe we should make water bottle handle. We should make the handle of the vase in this case. For making it, first I will click YZ plane in this case, and enter to the sketch workbench. Next, we should make handle by ourselves. For making it, first to click profile and arbitrary, start from arbitrary point. We should draw direct line, and the second one we should click 3-point arc and make arc in this case, and next is the line of the part, and 3-point, click 3-point arrow once again and make the parallel line in this case. And this one and this one have some tangency like this, tangency constraint, and this one and this one have tangency also, and this one between this one line can be tangency also, I think. And the degree between this one and this one have 20 degree, and the radius of this one should be made applied to 25 millimeter, and radius of this corner should be 25 millimeter again, and the distance from this slant line should be, the distance should be 77.5 millimeter, I think. Therefore, this dimension should be applied to this, and maybe in this case the distance from I will check the drawing once again for the exact data of maybe in this case this distance from here to here is 119 millimeter. Therefore, in this case, the point over here and the v vector between the v vector have 116 and 19 millimeter far each other, and the angle between this one and this one should be perpendicular each other. Therefore, however, it have some duplex constraint in this case. Why it is? It is already perpendicular each other. Therefore, it is okay. Then the distance from this point and this line have the distance of 71 millimeter in, and then all of the color changed to green line. Therefore, all constraints should be made wow. Therefore, exit to the sketch workbench in this case, and plane, click the plane and make new plane in this case by the third sequence of the wireframe toolbar, and normal to curve, it should be changed to normal to curve, and sketch a curve should be defined in this part, and the point can be, when the dialog box have the blue color, then it should be changed or it should be defined in this case. Therefore, in this case, the point should be defined in this part, and If we click OK, then the new plane in the handle, start of the handle can be drawn in this case. Therefore, click the new plane and enter to the sketch workbench. Then the new plane sketch workbench can be made in this case, and for drawing a profile, the can be made, and long distance of the displays for the long diameter should be made to 25 millimeter, and short distance of radius should be maybe 5 millimeter in this case. Therefore, okay, let me see the in this case, if you want to correct the second base, you can click mouse right button and semi-axis this definition. Okay, definition should be clicked, and the minor radius can be 5 millimeter in this case, and major radius should be 12.5 millimeter in this case. OK button, and for magnifying it, the center point can be made in this case also. If you make this box, then exit to the sketch workbench, and next one we click the sweep surface in the surface toolbar, and we select sweep surface, and if you see the sweep menu, sweep dialog box, we should select first one is here. Profile type is explicit type, and you can select explicit type and with the reference surface. With change it to two guide curves to with the reference surfaces in this case, and sketch profile should be here, and guide curve should be made to this one, can be the guide curve of it. And if you click preview in this case, guide curve should be here, and profile should be this one. And if you click preview, then the new handle can be made from this one. This is the vessel handle in this practice, and select the trim toolbar from operation, first one is the trim, and if you click the trim, then the dialog box can be made in this case. And this one sweep and this one join can be selected in this case. And if you select the other side, then this is trimmed. If you click OK, then this is trimmed, and the hole can be seen in this case. However, it is not my my thought. I should change it. For changing it, I click the trim once again, and other side, select other side, then this one can be trimmed in this case. Therefore, only this one can be the remain part, and this one can be trimmed from this operation. Oh, let me see, almost completed in this time. Therefore, for making the closed surface, we should change the wireframe and surface workbench to the part design workbench, and click the this part, and this one, trimmed one. If you select trimmed one, then all of the solid can be made from this operation. And if you hide all surfaces in the screen, then only the solid part can be made in like this. And the wall decrease can be made from this one. Therefore, if you select the shell button, and wall thickness should be given in 1.5 millimeter, and if you select the faces to remove in this part, and if you click OK, then the 1.5 millimeter thickness having 100 we can complete the vase, and the wall thickness of the vase having 1.5 millimeter in this case. Therefore, this part have also the hole like it, and all of the bottom part can be made from this case. Okay, in this time we can complete the vase product in this case. Now now let's review what we learned today. Let's review for drawing a vase part. For making the vase part, in starting time we make the new plane far from XY plane to 250 millimeter and 270 millimeter new plane can be made in first time, and 270 sketch is made in most upper part, and 250 millimeter far sketch can be made in this case, and this can be connect each other by using by using maybe this part, multi-section surface, and in this case the coupling line can be made and 2 points should be generated in this case, and by using these 2 point and coupling part, the upper entrance mouse can be made, and the second we draw the 2 arcs of it, and by using Revolve menu we can made the body of the vase for using by using Revolve operation. And next one we should in this case only this one, by using this one, not this one. This one should be omitted in this case in order to prevent the double operation, double bottom, because it has some complexity errors if the bottom is existed in 2 parts. Therefore it should be omitted on this part to the revolution, and in this case the Revolute 1 is like this, and the bottom part is omitted in this case, as you know. And the next one we draw this part by sketch. This part sketch maybe just sketch 5, number 5, and this part and this part sketch can be made, and this one can be revoluted by using revolution icon like this. This is the second time revolution in this lecture. And next one, join 3 part, join 3 cases, revolution 1, revolution 2. This is revolution 1, this is revolution 2, and this is a multi-section surface also that is joined in all the time. And the sketch 6 is the handle of the vase in this case, and for making the handle to the 3D part, for making handle to the 3D part, sweep surface, this is hide there for sure. Again, sweep surface can be made from this one, and the handle can be made from this ellipse and this profile, guide profile, by using maybe sweep surface and with the reference explicit and with the reference surface profile and one guide. By using sweep surface we can draw the handle of the vase. And next we go to the part design workbench. Then also we can make some solid part by using fixed surface, by using this closed surface icon, and by using shell operation, the vase having one thickness by 1.5 millimeter have been completed by this operation. That is, in this time, that is somewhat complex. However, we can easily draw it by ourselves by using wireframe and many kind of wireframe and surface design workbench. Maybe in some case the by using multi-sections surface Revolve trim join command and extrude command can be made, and we can make it well in this tab. Therefore, we will finish from now, and thank you for watching, and we'll see in the next class. Thank you. Bye.